Where's the last one though?
Also mid.
You should be ready.
Nice. Good start to the day. Let's go.
It wasn't a nice try. It was an NG. Nice game.
Nice game. It was an ND.
NB. Nice balls.
A nice D.
Nice balls.
What?
Oh, nice balls. May I
Nice
hold them?
DNB, NDB.
Terrific balls.
Terrific balls.
I was having a fucking conversation with Show on Twitter about balls earlier. He was basically saying, like, what
Alright,
sound?
explain.
What sound
Just a
does it
normal
make?
day for
What
Vox
sound
Toe.
does it make when you slap your dick? I'm saying that if it's hard, it goes.
Okay, let me try.
You know, like.
Wait, what? Does it actually make a sound?
It doesn't make a sound, but I think
It's like one of those little like springs that would stops a door. You know, when you flick it, it goes.
Oh.
or like one of those, like when you have a ruler against a table.
Yeah, and then and then Show was like, no. I imagined it would sound like. Boing.
I mean, they're both very similar.
No, I mean, I was saying that boing is the sound of the balls, and then the is
That's
the
so
sound of the
true.
shark.
I can totally relate to this.
Exactly. So it's just,
Selen's just like, why am I here?
You're one of the dads. You're one of the dads, Selen.
True, you are Niji dad.
I know. I didn't say I don't relate. I definitely relate to this. I mean, just last night I tried it out too. I want to know what the sound was.
It's not always about the penis itself. Sometimes it's about your spiritual penis. It's about the penis
exactly.
you feel like you have.
I feel.
We all have a penis.
Are you
in our
trying to say I
hearts.
don't have a dick, Fox? Is that what you're trying to imply?
I feel like I have it.
I'm gonna be honest.
like
I had no idea.
have it.
I had no idea what you just said because Sonny has hit me with the most terrifying shit I'd ever heard.
We
just
all
said,
have a penis inside of us.
We all have a penis. We all have a penis in our hearts. I was like, how deep did you go last night? Jesus.
Damn, man. That's a different kind of tag. We don't need that shit right there.
Yeah, I don't think we should be streaming that at that point.
That makes a very different kind of song out of How Deep Is Your Love?
Oh my lord.
Right up to the chest
Went
cavity.
through all of my intestines. That bitch curves.
What? Holy shit.
Oh no.
Wanna get me in trouble.